Hello everyone! If you want to learn calligraphy as a beginner, then this video is for you. I will show you all the basics of calligraphy in 5 minutes. If you are a beginner in the world of calligraphy and you don't have any brush pens, then use your normal pen. So, the first thing you have to know is the quality of the page. Your calligraphy surface should be smooth. This is very important to practice calligraphy properly. Then you have to learn the basic strokes of calligraphy which will be used in every alphabet later. The first one is upstroke. Remember that the upstrokes will always be thin. Number 2, downstroke. It will always be thick. Remember that you have to give less pressure during the upstrokes and more pressure during the downstrokes. Here, make double line and fill this fully with the pen. Also remember that every time the upstrokes will be thin and the downstrokes will be thick. The third one is underturn. Make a curve just like a U. The downstroke should be thick as I said before. Just apply the same theory of downstroke here. Then the fourth one is overturn. To make this one, just flip the underturn. Can you see? The downstroke is again thick here. So set this into your mind before learning calligraphy. Now you have to learn oval. It's the round figure of calligraphy. Again, the same theory. It will be applied in almost 8 alphabets, so it is equally important. Now the sixth one is compound curve. It will be also used in word calligraphy greatly. Watch carefully the process of drawing the strokes. Rather, your basic will not be strong and you will not be able to learn calligraphy properly. The 7th and 8th number strokes are so much important as it will be used in many alphabets. This is ascending loop. At first make a curve and then a straight line. And make the understroke or the straight line thick. You can share the name of your country with me in the comment section. And also let me know if you like my videos. Let's again turn into the video. So last but not the least, 8 number stroke is descending loop. Now flip the ascending loop and you will get this one. That's all. Watch the strokes carefully and also the movement of my hand during the calligraphy. Once you learn the strokes, then you have to practice these more and more. Prepare this type of sheet for practice, or print out these sheets if you can. Let me show you how to practice. Alright. So that's all the basic strokes I wanted to show you today. These strokes may look simple, but they are the foundation of every letter in calligraphy. Now, here's a little tip. When you practice, make sure to keep your pen at the same angle. That will help your lines look smoother and more consistent. Don't rush practice slowly and mindfully. Even 10 minutes a day will make a big difference. In the next video, I'll show you how we can connect these strokes to start forming actual letters, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who might also want to learn calligraphy. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. You can see that how I am practicing. Just follow me and learn to do calligraphy without any brush pens. In the last of the video, I will show you a word calligraphy with pen and you will understand that it is equally beautiful as brush pen calligraphy. So keep watching the video. When I was making this video, the weather was so beautiful, isn't it? However, I hope that you can understand all of the strokes by watching the whole video carefully. In the second part of this video, I will show you the application of these strokes in the alphabets. And if you want to learn brush pen calligraphy also, then let me know in the comment section. I will also upload a class for brush pen calligraphy if you want. All of the strokes are complete. You have to practice many times for perfect result. Now I'm going to show you the result of practicing the strokes. I am writing August as this is the month of August. Just see how I am writing, or you can also write with me. Add another line beside all of the downstrokes, as I am doing, and fill all of them. On this channel, we make an effort to share the fundamental knowledge of calligraphy that we have learned and practiced over time. Our goal is to help beginners understand the beauty of calligraphy step by step. starting from the very basics like strokes, letter formation, and simple techniques so that anyone who follows along can gradually build a strong foundation. Hope our videos are helpful for you all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends who might also want to learn calligraphy. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Your hand will get steadier with time. See you in the next one.